Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto and stocks and also assist small businesses to get compliant. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Binance into your South African bank account. Without wasting time, let's go to my Trust wallet. See that the amount is sitting on USDT and we need to send it to Binance so that we can withdraw to our bank account. So I'm just going to open my Binance account to get the wallet address. So guys, you just connect to your balance address and then you click home right at the bottom, you click add funds and then on chain deposits. And after clicking on chain deposit, you will be able to select USDT. Or after selecting USDT, remember the network must be Polygon, guys. Very important to select the network as Polygon. And once you are there, you'll be able to copy the wallet address for you to be able to withdraw. So now we'll need to go back to Trust Wallet so that we can be able to send this money to Binance. So now we are in Trust Wallet. Click USDT, and then once you get to this, click the arrow on the left hand side. This is the send button, and then you paste the address from Binance. You allow paste, and then you enter the amount that you want. So for me, I am withdrawing everything, guys. I'm just showing you this, but don't withdraw your CS. Keep it, because I truly believe that this coin will be worth a lot one day. So now it's processing. It does take time, guys. Like maybe give it 5-10 minutes and it will be done. So now, as you can see, I no longer have anything on my Trust Wallet. Let's go back to Binance and click a back sign. So remember, when you are stuck in Binance, just click asset on your right hand side or click home on your left hand side. So now I'm under asset. It is still processing. So as you can see, they need confirmations in order for this to finish. So eventually it will finish. So as it is done now, the money will be there. You click home at the bottom. After clicking home, you will be able to now withdraw. So when you get to this part, you click more, because you don't see any withdraw button here. And after clicking more, you go right at the top. You will be able to type withdraw so that you search, because there's just so many things there. Just type withdraw and it will show withdraw fiat. So I have a bank already that is linked to my Binance. So I love Binance these days because it can connect to our bank account. So you click continue. After clicking continue, it will connect to my bank account and I can just withdraw max. This is when you want to withdraw everything. So now let's continue, guys. And then after, it didn't even take like 3 minutes for the money to be in my account. So you confirm your withdrawal. Remember to protect your account by just maybe using verifications, like maybe should send you an SMS or an email in order for you to confirm. So as you can see, fiat withdrawal successful. So now I need to go to my bank and see if the money has landed. So let's just quickly go there. And do remember that if you want to create your Binance account, you will find the link on the video description. So as you can see, when I check balances before withdrawing the balance, it is 1,000. Actually, there's 1,176. It actually went to my daughter's account, which is linked to my one. I think I added it the wrong way. But anyway, let's go back and see the amount that we have withdrawn. So if you want to join Metawhale, but I wouldn't advise you to join because they are currently upgrading something. So let's just continue with whatever projects that we are working on. Can you see the withdrawal is done? So this is the money that we have. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something from this. Withdraw from Metawhale and do keep the coin CS as well. So this is the email that I got. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.